All right, so I got a new record player and the cover is all jacked up, but I remembered Tom talking about how the polish is an optical polish and he started on fighter jets and lens polishing. And so tell us, what is the difference between an optical polish and a regular compounder polish?
If you were to hit this with compound that you can actually feel, it would ruin this.
Ruin it.
It would totally destroy this
If I
plastic.
ruin it, what is it gonna do? Just
It'd put deep scratches in, like you sanded it with coarse sandpaper.
Oh,
and you can't get them out.
got
No
it.
matter what you do, you can't get them out. So that's the backwards technology that we have all used on paint my whole entire life.
So this is actually a really good way to demo what a compound, we're not gonna hit it with compound because we actually want to restore it, but we're gonna be hitting it with the JIMBO's polish. But this, because it's so fragile, is a great demonstration of how delicate but effective the polish is.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, take us to town. What are you gonna do?
3-inch
Air tool.
Air.
Why air instead of
Well, it's just gonna get it done fast.
Okay.
And the product's not gonna go all over the place. This is a special gear reduced tool.
Okay.
So you can't stop it. It's not stallable with air.
I've had so much interest for the new polish that I've been developing with Tom, and I'm in works and in development with the labels, getting the labels designed and printed. And so what I've decided to do, because there's so many of you that want it, you want to get on the list, that I've opened it up for early pre-sale. I'm still realistically probably about 4 to 6 weeks out from actually shipping it. But if you want to be first on the list, you want to get in line, I need help kind of figuring out how much demand, how much to actually make of this. So I've opened it up for pre-sale, both in 8-ounce and 16-ounce bottles. So if you're interested in getting first in line for the new JIMBO's polish, I will put that link below for this as well, and you can get in line for the new polish. Almost instant.
Oh yeah. And no splatter.
Yeah. Could this be done by hand, or would it take longer?
You could. It'd just take longer. Let's look at that. You can see where we're getting off.
Yeah.
Now we just work on it, and we'll get all these scratches out of there.
So foggy where my hand is, and then so clear.
And the nice part about
like
it is all of the scratches are probably on the outside.
Okay.
Because that's where it gets handled, not on the inside.
Got it.
We'll wipe off the inside. So use more product. And I always say, use as much product as possible. And people go, why? I said, so we sell more.
Yeah, that's a great point. I want to sell more polish. And are you adding any pressure or no pressure?
I am, but this is very fragile, so I'm being careful not to put too much pressure on this. Okay, I want to show you something that's happening here. Obviously, you know, we don't put a lot of cutter in this product, but, so these are the scratches that are there. And we're going to get those out.
Really?
Even though you can see how it's getting better.
Is this on the inside or outside?
That's on the outside.
Okay.
Yeah, that's.
And you think we're going to be able to get those out?
I think so. You know what? That might be on the inside.
Oh yeah, it is. You can feel it.
Oh, so it's probably just from the record.
That's pretty deep cut in there, though.
Let's see. It might just be transfer. Oh wow, they are. Okay. Let's go after them. Okay, we still have them. So let's go after them.
Okay.
So now you put down microfiber.
Yep.
Because we don't want to scratch this.
Right. You don't want to redo what you just fixed.
Yeah, but this is fun.
I love the parallel between if it's the polish is sensitive enough to fix this.
Yeah.
You know.
I am using pressure because it's backed up with the microfiber.
Okay.
And I'm going after them. I'm going after those scratches.
With heat and stuff, do you ever risk cracking it or degrading?
Yeah, you could, but you know, I'm not putting that much, but I'm putting enough that I want to be aggressive. And the nice part about it, oh wow. The nice part about it.
Wow.
is
almost looks perfect.
that's from a wool pad.
Right.
That's the worst it's going to look.
The most aggressive possible.
So if we top that with a foam pad,
right,
it's even going to be better.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
Turned out really nice.
Well, let's go.
And it's removing all that oxidation and all that nasty stuff off of it. And this is just part of the case that I'm building for this polish, is that it can work on such sensitive areas and be totally fine.
Yeah, this is all an experiment too, because we took all the, we made this very, very mild,
right?
But it still answers everything that we wanted it to do for the detailing world.
Yep. And just to reiterate, a typical compounder polish would just tear this to shreds.
Destroy it.
Especially with a wool pad and an air-driven tool.
Yeah. This is the most aggressive 3-inch air-powered tool that you can buy. It spins at 3,000 RPMs, and when it's fully charged, the air, with 150 pounds, it's not stoppable.
Wow. This is going to be brand new.
Now let's do the inside, where we got, we have more of those marks on the inside, so we know we can get them out. Product stays nice and wet.
Not dusty at all.
No dust. No. This is a nice little experiment.
Yeah, worked out perfect.
We'll let the air charge up a little bit. We'll get that out. We're close
but already
now.
That yellow kind of hue that it had before is totally gone.
Yeah, we just got a couple more, but we'll let the air charge up and make this Pioneer plastic top look right. And you can restore toys with this product.
Okay.
If your kids have Hot Wheels, they need a little bit of polishing done on.
You could polish jewelry, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, jewelry, perfect. And it's so mild, yet it removes oxidation really easily.
Yeah, I even saw that when we were redoing that, the window, the plastic window. The oxidation is really the first thing to go.
Boy, that looks a lot better. You needed that last bit on the...
Oh my God. Did it get
That's a lot better.
Oh yeah, a lot better. And sometimes you got to realize when a lot better is as best as it's going to get too, right?
Okay.
Wow.
We were all into this stuff when we were kids.
Wow.
To have the latest and greatest record player, and then it was DVD players and beta cams, and
it's crazy how expensive that stuff was.
Holy
back in the day,
moly, it was a lot of money. I remember.
Is it still expensive? Really? Wow. They're almost more expensive now than they were when they came out. It said $900 for a record player.
Oh wow. Well, I paid. Playboy magazine did an article on the best VHS player. I had to have it. It was $1,000.
Wow.
Way back in like 1981.
Wow.
I had to have it. Yeah. Wow. Wasn't any better than me.
Yeah, of course. Marketing gotcha.
Yeah, because then they came out with Blu-ray. Oh man, mine's junk now. Got to have a Blu-ray player.
Wow, that looks so much cleaner.
What's that? That's weird.
That is so much more clear than it was.
And that's a wool pad.
Yeah, wool pad.
That's the worst it's gonna be.
Wow. That looks so clear.
Yeah. It's nice.
All right, that's awesome. Well, if you have a record player and you want to clean the cover, the JIMBO's polish is going to be your best bet for it, so I'll make sure to link it below. Hopefully it's available. If not, it'll be available soon. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya.